Journalist shot dead in corporate area. Suspected suicide involving 12-year-old boy in St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A journalist was shot dead at a section of Spanish Stone Road in St. Andrew Tuesday night. He has been identified as Job Nelson, who was up to yesterday working with the RJR Gleaner Communications Group. He was 53 years old. Before joining the Gleaner team just over a year ago, Nelson worked with the Loop News for more than 6 years. He had also worked with Jamaica Observer. Reports reaching the news media are that Nelson, who was an all-rounder, was driving his motor car along Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of St. Andrew Technical High School when he stopped at the traffic light and was fired on by gunmen. In a bid to drive himself to the hospital, he reportedly crashed into a utility pole. The incident happened just before 11 p.m. The police were called to the location, and when they got there, they reportedly saw the crashed motor vehicle. The injured journalist had already been assisted to hospital, where he died while undergoing treatment. The St. Anne police are probing the suspect's suicide of 12-year-old Aaron Richards, a student of Marcus Garvey Technical High School. The incident happened at Richards' home in Fort George District in Claremont, St. Anne on Tuesday. Police stated that about 4:09 p.m., Richard was found hanging from a balcony. The police were called to the scene and the body removed to the morgue. More details to come.